Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm OGF, this is Rage, and I've got a special announcement. Welcome to the channel. Now I know a lot of you must be wondering, where the hell has this guy been? Well, I've been busy with a lot of family stuff, personal stuff and work stuff also, which is why I've been off the U of the tube. Work has been crazy, as it always is during the start of the year and towards the end of the financial year, but things are starting to calm down a bit, and I now have the opportunity to start riding once again. Well, riding outside of Mumbai at least. And while I have been talking about riding towards Bangalore at the start of this month, unfortunately that plan has been moved to sometime next month, well, for now. I still, however, wanted to do a 900 odd kilometer ride from Mumbai, and so I picked Nagpur to ride to this weekend. Now there's a store there called the Moto Rush store, which I have left a link in the description for you to check out their exact location, and their social media handles are showing up on the screen right now. I will be at that store on the 28th. Details about the timings and whatnot will be shared on my Instagram in the near future, but we are planning on having that in the evening, considering the temperatures in Nagpur currently are a lot higher than they are in Mumbai, so we want everyone to be comfortable, ourselves included. Now, for those of you who've been with the channel for a while, you would know that the last time I was in Nagpur, or the last time I rode to Nagpur, I did it on Rage, and I did it with Rec 8 Ralph. Unfortunately, Ralph will not be joining me for this ride, but Rahul, another close friend of mine, will be joining me for this trip. We will not be taking KTMs for this ride. Rage will be sitting this one out, because the last time I was riding there, I think the road between Amravati and Dhule was insane. It had potholes, it had off-road patches, it had trucks with their high beams all over the place, and that's not the ideal situation to have a fully fed track machine like the RC390 riding through. So this time we will be taking bigger motorcycles and adventure motorcycles. Now I'm not going to share which two motorcycles we'll be taking just yet, because I'm going to run a contest around that. What I can tell you is that there are two different motorcycles from two different manufacturers, and what I intend on doing is testing out their touring abilities on this ride to Nagpur. So if you can correctly guess which two motorcycles we'll be taking to Nagpur, Rahul and I, you stand yourself a chance of winning Mi Speaker 2, I believe is what it's called, with Yamaha branding. Now while the prize does have Yamaha branding on it, I guarantee you that the motorcycles we're taking aren't Yamaha motorcycles. They are from two different brands other than Yamaha. Again, if you've got friends who are subscribers who probably haven't yet seen this video, please share it with them and please spread the word. I'd love to meet each and every one of you, and for everyone that I meet over there, there's going to be OGF stickers distributed to you guys also. Refreshments and snacks have been taken care of, like I always make sure they are taken care of at the venue. Parking space too, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you. I'm going to talk a bit about safety like I always do, give you a few tips on how to stay safe while commuting on our mean streets, and yeah, and just chill out, click some selfies, have some fun. Alright, I don't want to really make this a long video. Thank you again so much for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, share feedback. As always, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.
Lumberjack Remix.